This is a tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Charlton County in southeastern Georgia until 7:45 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Es gratis, dude.
At 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Race Pond around 7:45 p.m. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Charlton, Georgia.
I am so freaking low.